Hi guys, welcome to a new review. I did lose the box to the set and instruction card, so I got Lego Harry Potter 64 pieces, 6-12, The Forbidden Forest, and 4A65. And it's really nice. Got 4 minifigs. Let's move truck. Show you all of them. Got Mrs. Malfoy. Nice minifig. Do that back piece. Finch, Charlotte normal, and this is kind of a new hairpiece because it is a highlight in her hair. She is only the set so far. They decided to make more Harry Potter, Voldemort. Guys all seen before, no better. Torso or face. An interesting fact is he used to be green. And they decided to change him to black. Hagrid, that's head. No better putting on the head or torso. And you do got the little Hagrid beard. I mean beard, not beard. Harry Potter. Seen him before. But this is time. Outfit. So I'll show you a quick ups and downs of the set. So you basically can put Hagrid right here, trapped. There, and you can put either one. And Voldemort can do a spell. He can't go flying. So let me show you that again. That didn't work. Oh well, you probably can put Harry or Voldemort on it. You just need to move his cape a little bit. And just like that. And I guess this would be the front. Side. We got a lot of brown parts. Back. Side. I love the blue flames. You do got mushroom, which is a printed piece. And top. You got a lot of leaves. Bottom. This will go great with the Ewok attack. And if you have it, you can just take out the blue things and you can just make your own forest. So, yeah, let's put Voldemort here. And Harry right here. And they can battle. So, yeah, bye. Comment, like, and subscribe. Goodbye.